Namaste everyone. Today we shall see the application of some count formulas which we have learned in previous videos in this sitting arrangement. So guys, you can see I have created a simple sitting arrangement containing male and female in different colors. And it may be the plan of a hall or whatever we can call a cinema hall. So you can see how they are sitting and there are some empty spaces. So here we want to count number of males, females, empty seats, total seats and hall population. That means males and females together. So let's get started. Here you can see how I can count the number of males. With the help of Countif formula, we can see equal to Countif. Why? Because we need one condition. That means we are going to calculate only males. But before doing that, I want to do a simple thing to make our work simple and quicker. Guys, I want to name this array, this range as something which I can simply type there and I don't need to select it again and again. So I want to name this. I have selected this with the help of mouse, and here the top left corner here you can see the name box. I can type something like, we can say sitting plan, sitting underscore P. Okay, that's it. So I have named this array as sitting P. So I will use here. Now I will type the formula equal to count if. Fine. So here in the argument range, I'm going to simply write the name which I have just given, sitting. You can see it is here in the form of table. So I have selected this. Now criteria, I want to calculate number of males. So for that I will simply write in double inverted commas M. So this is what my condition. So here I got the number 194. You can repeat the same process for females. Countif, sitting, okay, and then condition F. So number of females 185. So now to calculate empty seats, as I have told you in the previous video, we can use the formula called as Countblank. So we are going to count all the blank spaces in this particular range. So let me type the formula equal to Countblank. Okay. Select with the help of tab. Now in range, I can simply write sitting P, which we have named. Enter. You can see 269 blank spaces or empty seats are present in this hall. Now what are the total number of seats? I can simply sum up all of them. So equal to sum, and I can select this range. Fine. So here they are 648. So now if I want to calculate number of males and females together, either I can simply add both of them or I can use one more formula. You can see that was count A. That means which is going to calculate number of non-empty cells for me. So for non-empty cells, I will write the formula equal to count A. Fine. Count A. Now value 1, value 2, that means I can select simply the range. So sitting plan. You can see there are 379 total population in this hall. So you can add from here also to see the result. Let me type here equal to check your answer. You can add both of them. You can see the same result. So in this way, we have applied all the count formulas, or I mean some of the count formulas. Count A, count blank, sorry, it is count blank, and count if. Fine. So I hope you understood the concept of this video. It was just a simple application, guys, and the different situation in which we can use these count formulas. It was just created to explain you the basic difference between these formulas. So do like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.